Hi Heidi, this is Deb Vale from AEA. I just thought I would make a quick screencast. Maybe it would be the easiest way to share some of these resources. The vast majority of the resources I'm going to share at first are the online resources available from Heartland's website. So if you would, you're going to go to heartlandaea.org. And when you get there, you should see this. The link that I want to take you to is the Library and Digital Resources link. I'm going to click on that and go down to Online Resources. Okay, when I do, I get these four tiles that are the resources are separated out by grade level. Click on the K5, and the resources that I want to take you to are Bookflix, Culturegrams, Mac and Via, TrueFlix, and Learn 360. First of all, you're going to need your building's username and password. I don't know what school you're from. I couldn't tell from your email, but you can either ask the teacher librarian at your school or call me or email me with your building name, and I'll be able to get that for you. Once you have that, when you click on one of these tiles, let's go to Bookflix. When you go to Bookflix, you will be asked for, I'm going to hit mute, you'll be asked for that username and password. Once you put it in, you will get to this screen. The place that I found best for you, People and Places, this is going to be kind of a primary age resource when it logs in. At this spot, I found something on Christopher Columbus. I don't know if that'll be helpful. I went to this last tab over here, and there's a video as well as a book available there. And again, that would be close to your time frame. 1492 I figured was close enough to 1500 that perhaps there would be something worthwhile here. There is a video that you can watch a book being done on video, and then you can read this book as well. So there was one option. I'm going to go back to that set of K5 resources. Okay, we already went to Bookflix, TrueFlix. These are upper elementary nonfiction resources that you can choose to have the read aloud feature. So although they're a little bit more complex text, you have the option of having books read aloud. So if you look at these, each one of these is a category with multiple titles on the topic. Let's go to U.S. regions. And so I can get into any one of these 6 books. When I do, it looks very much like Bookflix. There is a video as well as a nonfiction text to accompany it once we get in. And again, there's a read aloud feature with this as well as Bookflix that might be helpful. Okay. Interesting. Oh, there it is. I was going to say there should be a book along with it. So the child could watch this quick video and then read this nonfiction book. And again, if the text is too complex, they can do the read aloud feature. But ebooks are way cool. You might find that ebooks are a good option with the student you're trying to find materials for. Okay, so I showed you Bookflix. I showed you TrueFlix. One of the other ones I want to show you is Mac and Via. It's a resource of ebooks. You have to log in with your building's information. Again, it's that same username and password. For me, I'm putting in my own login. I'm an AEA staff member. That's why I chose that at the top. And what I did was I typed in North America, and I did an advanced search because I wanted to fix the range with Fountas and Pinnell, and probably right about Q or R would be 3rd grade. So I just showed anything North America between those reading levels, and some are going to work for you and some are not. But anyway, there are resources that I found there. It's interesting. Maybe I put in United States. Let me look really quickly. Yes, it was United States. So let's try it again. Okay, this would give you books on the regions. There are 52 of them, and those, if I remember right, are at about a third grade reading level. Here's some more with historical US. Anyway, if you click this, you will get the guided reading level. Looks like this one is late second, early third grade, according to Fountas and Pennell. So, lots of resources for Mac and VIA, and basically you just open the book. It's an ebook. It will not read aloud to you, but it might be interesting enough that because it's an ebook done on computer, it might hold her attention more. Okay. All right. Another resource, great one for any social studies content you might need, is Culturegrams. And as you notice, there's the states edition as well as provinces edition, so it'll give you the US and Canadian information you need. Latin America, if you were wanting information. The world edition is a little bit older audience, same kind of material. I would stick with the kids edition and do your search for Latin America there. You can, let's see, let's go to South America. You can drill down in by a particular country, let's say Brazil. All kinds of statistics. It also has the read aloud feature so that it could be read to your student if she's having difficulties reading, but all kinds of statistical information. It would fit your vocabulary. But it has all kinds of information if you're wanting a historical perspective, what life is like for children that live there, all kinds of great information. Photos, videos, interviews, famous people, recipes, flags, graphs, and tables. So Culturegrams is definitely a resource I would check out for Latin America as well as Canadian provinces and US states. So that's one more resource that I would check out. Okay, I'm back at the Heartland AEA website with the K-5 resources, and Learn 360 is going to be another great resource for you. It has multimedia resources, videos, that kind of thing, live streamed. Again, you are going to, I'm already logged in, you're going to need to put in your building's username and password, which you can get from your teacher librarian. But when I got in here, I've written a bunch of them down. I'll send you this. Learn 360, I did an advanced search using keyword North America. I got 7 pages of streaming video resources that would go along with that, and similar results when I typed in Latin America. So Learn 360 is another resource that I would check with. Okay, and you're just going to do the advanced search. And again, put in your keyword. I picked social studies. You can pick your grade level, but on video that wouldn't be as critical. Media format, you have lots to choose from. Full videos, audio, speeches, all kinds of things, so choose something that's of interest. I didn't do anything with publisher, series, copyright. English, you might want to go ahead and do that, although most of it is in English. Anyway, you have some other options here. If you're wanting the teaching resources to go along with it, do a quick search and it will pull up all kinds of resources. So hopefully I've given you something to get started with. I'm going to send you that write-up that I did with all of the resources and how to get there, but I want you to wanted you to see a quick overview. I can also search for materials that you can hold in your hands, books, that kind of thing, but it didn't sound like perhaps that was going to be quite as good an option for you, but let me know if you would like it. I will pass that, I'll do a quick search on that and pass that along to you as well. Again, this is Deb Vale, Heartland AEA, Heidi, and let me know if these work for you, if you need something different. Thank you.